They call this the quiet mind frequency, a steady vibration that settles beneath thought like sunlight through deep water. It doesn't ask you to try, just lets the edges of your focus soften, like fabric brushing stone in a slow breeze. The sound you're hearing is green noise, tuned to 14 Hertz, a beta rhythm that gently lifts mental clarity like driftwood rising to the surface. Enhanced concentration, a productivity boost. It's not magic, just a tool waiting for you to let it play.